Hello there. I wanted to show you how to disable the MED5000 alarm beeps, and they sound like this. I think it's really annoying. So first of all, open the car, disengage the system, and then we're gonna sit into the car, close the door, that's important. The first step is to enable programming, which we're going to do by the key in the ignition and by this little LED button. Hope you can see it right there. Okay, so first of all, put the key into the locking mechanism and turn it 11 times on and off in quick succession. So it's just on off, and I will let you show the screen, because it's important that you don't take too many time between the steps, so it has to be really quick, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then the LED will blink and you hear a beep. And the beep confirms that you're in the programming mode. And to switch off the annoying sounds, we're just going to hit this button 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And the high-low beep is to confirm that the disabling of the beeps is successful. So now we just have to confirm the settings by turning the key 1 time fast on and off. I've just showed you the screen. I will let you show the key now. It's just on, off, and that's it. And now to test it all, I'm going to lock the car from a distance without beeps. Good luck.